Welcome to Label Resizer.
Today, I'll show you how to add separator labels between Amazon's single SKU box label groups. Adding separator labels between different product groups helps prevent mislabeling and improves clarity during packing. Let's start by navigating to the Shipment Label Settings page. First, select your label size based on the label type you're using. Then, scroll down to find the Add Separator option and enable it. Once enabled, you'll see a new drop-down to choose the separator type. Let's go through each one and generate a sample label for better understanding. Let's start by selecting Page Break Separator. It automatically begins a new page when moving to a different product group, making sure labels stay organized and don't get mixed up. Now, let's select Header with Custom Text and generate a sample. This option inserts a separator label containing your custom text before each product group. In a moment, I'll show you how to set your custom text for each product group directly on Amazon Seller Central. But before we move on to Amazon Seller Central, I'll first adjust the label size to match my thermal printer. Also, make sure that the Label Resizer extension is installed so that the Label Resizer print buttons appear on Amazon Seller Central. Here, I already have a Send to Amazon shipment prepared with the LTL option. Let's take a look at the original Amazon-generated label. As you can see, the box labels are placed one after another, and it's easy to miss when one SKU ends and another begins. Now let's generate the same labels with Label Resizer. When I click the Label Resizer button, a pop-up appears. Here, I can enter a separator text for each product. For example, I can use Merchant SKUs. As you can see, a separator label is inserted before each product group using the text I provided. Also, the labels are automatically rotated to make the best use of label space. Let's now check an SPD type shipment. In this type, each box label comes with an associated shipment label. Again, it's easy to miss the SKU transitions. So let's generate the labels using Label Resizer. The pop-up appears again, and since Remember My Entries is enabled, I don't need to re-enter the separator texts. The new labels have been generated, including the separator labels. And again, we see that the label space is fully optimized. That's it. Label Resizer also offers other shipment-related features that can really help streamline your workflow. Be sure to check them out as well. Label Resizer. Take control of your shipping labels.